Hello, this is Gail Hogue, and I would like to spend a little time with you today to allow another reset to happen for you. We are in an absolutely unprecedented, remarkable time of shift. And it's so interesting because so many of us have known that we have chosen to be here during a time of tremendous transmutation. And that is exactly what is upon us. And let's together bring our energies in a coherent way, in a loving and light way, welcoming in these shifting energies, this transformational time where indeed we are moving our vibration to another level. And as we move our vibration to another level, it's equally important that we have a foundation, that we are in a coherent field that supports this magnificent shift and growth. Thus, this time of quiet, reflection, opportunity to look at what we choose to allow to leave our sphere. We don't need to bring those things with us. So let's just spend a little time together right now in this first stage, allowing ourselves to just release. Release that which is no longer of service. Take a nice deep breath with me, and as you breathe, feel the beautiful activity of your lungs, your breath, bringing in the clarified air and releasing that which is no longer serving you or anyone else. You have completed that karma, those activities, and you are resetting the patterns within you. So let's release, and you don't need to know what it is because your soul knows. Your higher self is aware. Anything, though, that can be associated with limitation, fear, judgment, release that. Tell every cell of your body, it's time. Let it go. Go into the corners of your mind and let your brain know that those patterns are now being activated and called on to let go into the light. Take another deep breath and feel that releasing from your system. Feel yourself becoming reset, realigned, reinvigorated, and restored. Breathe again deeply and in your lungs as your chest is expanding. Feel the breath opening you up to receiving greater acceptance, love far beyond what you have allowed yourself to receive now. Take it in, and let that breath and that light and that beautiful resonant frequency, let it come into you to find whatever else has no place in your being anymore. And feel that in your heart, moving through those old channels. Let it go. Let it be complete. Release it into the beautiful frequency of violet light. It is being transmuted as you breathe, as you listen, as you release. You are being renewed. You are being restored. You are taking a stand to step into that next place of your beingness. Allow yourself to continue to immerse yourself in this energy. Let this energy work for you, with you, continuing to serve for the highest good, for the good of all. And continue that pathway of restoring yourself to who you truly are, who you are being called forward to be, knowing that all is for the highest good. So be it.